Hey everybody, welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. Trying to get some quick live streaming in for you, some work. I gotta go get my girl some dinner here for Valentine's Day in a second, but I got a couple minutes to spare. Our client would like to, one of our clients would like to upgrade to the latest version of Elegant 3.1, and the beta version they requested. And we're gonna try to make that happen for them. It's not a direct drop in, because we'd be going from one theme to an existing theme in React. We'd be going to we'll be using the same theme and keeping the content, but we're going to be adding on a bunch of new features, such as like a sitemap, RSS feed, and an admin backend with the CMS panel, which is kind of cool. So I'm opening up my I'm getting all set up right now. So I can show you. Hey, look at that. So, string theory is the project we're working on. String theory is just internal code name, project name for our project. This project in particular. It's one of our clients, as I said previous. I'm gonna open up a new window. Cool. Let me double check that we're looking good on the stream, so everybody can I want to make sure everybody can see what everybody else is seeing. Sorry about that. Or if I got too much feedback there, that's my mistake. But everything looks good. I can see myself on the stream, and I can see the screen and everything. So we'll be working locally. We have nothing running. So first step is to install our dependencies. And I'll start the local development server by running npm run dev. I may have picked the wrong project by mistake. I think I picked my personal portfolio website by mistake, so let me correct that. And the project we're looking for is not what I said before, so disregard that. But anyways, I still relevant to you. It's internal use only. Refresh. Install package dependencies. Gonna start the development server. Cool. This is what we're looking for. But yeah, so we have a client here, and he would like to use the latest version of Elegant, which has just been released. I just released it yesterday. So to do that, we gotta just looking at what's in the repo now. So the way we would want to do this is we can just stop the development server, and we can just install the Elegant CLI on top of the project. So we're gonna go to node npm node package manager. We're gonna look up our project, and we're gonna go copy the down, follow the install instructions. Pretty simple. And currently, the installer script is kind of just non-intelligent and a little destructive. It just will run on top of the existing code, whatever's in the that folder, wherever you run the install script. But that doesn't really matter. It's kind of helpful sometimes. In this case, it's kind of helpful because we can just run this over top of an existing project, and we can start seeing what we have to do to make the two compatible and play nice. So we've ran this, and let's just start it for fun. Let's see what happens. So it looks like we have some dupes, and yeah, so it looks like it's trying to build, which is kind of cool. I wouldn't expect it to, because we've probably broken a lot. And if I was to pull up another window real quick, I'll show you my GitHub history. Cool. So by running it on top, it's added a new example env file for us, and it's added a bunch of stuff, including a new sample doc. It's created the content folder It's in a lot of things. So let's see what we can do to get it playing. So it does not like this. So that's cool. So in our previous so this is kind of like a dry run for us, for Elegant. We're learning what breaks, what's going to work, what's not going to work when you're running it over existing products and such, existing code. And as we learn, we're making adjustments, we're committing changes daily. So this is the existing stuff. We can probably delete a lot of it. We are in the process of making the admin panel or the CMS panel headless so that it's easier to connect into existing projects. But that's Elegant version 4, which is in the works, is being architected as we speak. Just basically the error here is that it doesn't know how to handle this, and that's cool. It's perfect because this is gonna migrate over into here. We've also not set up any environment variables since we've run the installer script on the existing project. So the admin wouldn't be accessible anyways. It would pop up saying you need to get started. You need to set up your info. But in the meantime, it doesn't know how to handle these MDX files at the moment. So I think just basically we'll just move maybe even just delete them for now and see what happens. Same thing here. We'll add it back. We're not actually deleting it permanently. It'll show deleted in the Git history and we can easily put it back. But as you can see, we have not set up the variables for this project yet. But with very little effort on an existing project, you can see Elegant runs right on top, and it doesn't do too much destruction. But we've got some work to do. But in elegant version 4, it won't be as destructive. This header and stuff. This wouldn't run on top of this theme. Elegant 4, it would be less atomic, and we wouldn't add the header and stuff unless you wanted it. Elegant version 4, the installer, it would allow you to specify themes. It's kind of neat that it added both together, I guess, is what's going on here. But there's nothing critical in this home page. Let's do a rebuild real quick. It's cool. It's picking up all this, but it does not seem to like. This is why. So let's see, we can. This one can probably just be deleted. Let's see what happens. We gotta install. So the package .json file would have gotten overwritten. As I said, it's not atomic. So that means it would have gotten rid of some dependencies that are required. So that's okay, we just add them right back. We have duplicates of document.js, so we can delete this. That's cool because it's still. Oh, it probably overwrote the header. That's probably what happened. So let's say keep this. You can keep this. Keep this. Yeah. Don't need storybook, but you can keep it. Of course, keep this stuff, but yeah, probably don't need our fav icon. Oh, it just probably took a rebuild. It's kind of cool. It's starting to look a little familiar. I don't know if those lines were there before, but you'll see nothing comes up here. This is broke because we haven't. Probably need to install the Google Analytics and stuff. But at this point, the client has a backend. It looks like the header got copied over, so or it's appearing in the login and it shouldn't. But that's a good bug to note. I'll make some notes here. The next time we do this. Cool. So we've been going about 20 minutes, and you know, it's all pretty easy. It is. This is an existing live site with content that is using a purchase theme that the client requested. So yeah, we were able to drop in the elegant project right on top, the CMS. First go around, it's not the best. We got a lot to go through. But overall, we see what needs to be done. We need to put the 5 icons back. Need to get the header out of the admin. And need to just set up the backend. Log in. As such, I'll show you on the demo site. We would just log in, and this is how it should look. But for whatever reason, we got some issues that we'll address. So it would look like this. The user has an interviews. And we would just simply copy in the existing content. One way we can do that is by looking here. I can do it this way. But the easiest way would probably be to just it's just not like that, as you can see. But so we got some padding fixes to here to address in a quick release. But yeah, this client has a number of posts, content, and it wouldn't take long to migrate it over to Elegant using the new backend. They would just kind of re-upload their content that they already have. And you know, they have YouTube videos, so yeah. But yeah, I gotta jump off and hang out with my family and stuff today. My other half, it's Valentine's Day, so you know, that's what's important to me right now. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Yeah, and check out Elegant 3.1. It's now available. ElegantFramework.com. My name is Brandon. Thank you.